ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर में ही मैं मौजूद हूँ। दो खवातीन बैठी हुई हैं मेरे राइट साइड पे, इनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो लेडी,
Hello,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Charlie.
Charlie, where you from?
I'm from Bath.
Okay, and you're on a visit to London?
Yeah, and we went to an open day today.
I can see that you're wearing very religious kind of earrings, right?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Your earrings tell me that you're a Christian by religion,
Yeah.
because it's a cross.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd request my cameraman to focus on the earrings, please, if you could show them.
Yes.
Yeah. How does it feel to live in England?
Safe, I suppose. Feels nice. Quite homely.
Have you heard about Pakistan?
Yes.
Okay, what have you heard about Pakistan?
Not very much.
So if I ask you right now that what is your perception of the Pakistani society, what will be your answer?
Quite dangerous.
ये है बेचारी यहाँ की मासूम अवाम जो यहाँ के मीडिया पर पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ प्रोपोगेंडा सुनकर पाकिस्तान को एक ख़तरनाक जगह समझती है, लेकिन जब इनसे पूछा जाए कि क्या ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक जंग शुरू करने वाला नहीं होता तो इनके पास देने के लिए कोई जवाब नहीं।
It doesn't really. From like what I've.
Look, I'm from Pakistan. Do I look dangerous?
No, not you. But just from what I see on the news, it does.
What's there on the news about Pakistan?
That different conflicts going on in the country between different groups of people.
Which people?
I don't know. I'm not very educated in it.
There's a war against terror going on there, and it's basically has been started by the West. NATO is there, United States Armed Forces are there, forces from your country are there, and they're fighting Taliban in Afghanistan. And Pakistan has been a frontline ally in this war with the US and other allied forces. So basically, the war was started by your country and the United States. So are they not dangerous?
Yes, I'm sure. I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. Everyone. Yeah. Yes, I don't know.
Okay, somebody who starts the war, is that person or that entity more dangerous, or somebody who by default becomes a part of the war is more dangerous?
I suppose if you put it like that, the person that starts it is the one that's looking for the issue.
And you are more dangerous than me.
Well, I'm not dangerous and you're not dangerous, but the people that are doing it, I'm sure they are as well.
Okay, what would you say about Pakistan?
What?
Your name first.
Victoria. Well, I've never really been there, so I haven't got much of a judgment on it, to be fair. So, I'm sure it's a nice place.
Would you like to visit Pakistan?
If you're offering.
Of course, you have an open invitation. I think that people from the West should come to Pakistan and visit it, and only then create an opinion about it. Because I've heard a lot of people saying here that the media in West is portraying a very negative image of the Pakistani society. But that is different from the actual situation. We do have our own problems. We have terrorism, extremism, but that does not mean that that is the only hallmark of the Pakistani society, right?
Yeah.
So people, even I'm sure in British society, people are, there are people who are liberal, there are people who are extremists in their ideas, and same is the case with our society.
Yeah, there's been plenty of things going on, like lots of terrorism going on around here, so it's the same in every country, it's just that all we see of Pakistan is that area.
मगरिब से हम एड लेते हैं, लेकिन आज ये तारीख और ये कैमरा गवाह है कि पाकिस्तान ने मगरिब को एड दी है।